The SYMA X660 LED mini drone is an excellent choice for both kids and adults, offering a unique blend of vibrant colors that enhance visibility during night flights and a warning system that rapidly flashes the LED light when the battery levels are low. This mini drone offers a variety of spectacular stunts, including 3D flips, auto rotations, rotary ascents, and circle fly, all easily activated with one remote button, making it a perfect toy for creating unforgettable family memories. The SYMA X660 LED mini drone features an easy flight control system where it can take off or land with just one button, has an altitude hold feature for stable hovering, and a headless mode for worry-free flying. The drone comes with a built-in Type-C charging port for convenient and flexible charging and is equipped with protection guards for propeller safety and collision prevention. The SYMA X660 LED mini drone offers adaptable speed modes, making it suitable for both beginners and skilled aviators, and its compact size allows it to easily weave through indoor spaces. Packaged in a high-quality box, the SYMA drone makes an ideal gift for various occasions and is easy to operate, suitable for indoor and outdoor games, playgrounds, backyards, and parks.